A warm greetings to all. I'm M. Preeti from Final Year Triple E. Today I'm going to take about a topic surge arrestor. These are the contents today we are going to see about. Surge arrestor, types of surge arrestor, lightning, surge arrestor in transformers, how do surge arrestor protects transformer, what exactly surge arrestor do, disadvantage of surge arrestor, advantage of surge arrestor. Surge arrestor. In a power system of high voltage line, the electrical equipments are protected from lightning and switching surges by connecting the power system to a surge arrestor. It is also called as SPD or TVSS. SPD means surge protection device, TVSS means transient voltage surge. It is a surge diverter. Surge diverter is nothing but when the lightning strikes the power system, it divert the lightning to the ground. The surge arrestor should have low impulse ratio. The below picture is known as a surge arrestor. Types of surge arrestor. There are 5 types of surge arrestor. They are rod arrestor, horn gap arrestor, multi gap arrestor, expulsion type arrestor, metal oxide arrestor. First, we are going to see about rod arrestor. It nowadays the arrestor's a simple type is a rod arrestor. It consists of two 1.5 centimeter length rod bent at right angles. The one rod is connected to the line circuit and another one is connected to the earth. The below diagram is a rod arrestor. Horn gap arrestor. The horn gap arrestor has two horn shaped metal rod which is separated by small air gap. The distance of the horn gap arrestor increases gradually towards the top. The one rod is connected to the line via resistance and choke coil and another one is connected to the ground. Multi-gap arrestor. The multi-gap arrestor consists of a series metallic cylinder. The multi-gap arrestor insulated from each other and separated by a small intervals of air gaps. The first cylinder is connected to lines and the other one is connected to ground through series resistor. When the multi-gap arrestor is connected to surge arrestor, it does not exceed a voltage about 33 kilovolt. The below diagram is multi-gap arrestor. Expulsion type arrestor. The expulsion type arrestor consists of air gap series with second air gap enclosed within fire tube. The gap is formed with the help of the two electrodes. The upper electrode is connected to the rod gap and the lower one is connected to the earth. The below diagram is expulsion type arrestor. Metal oxide arrestor. Nowadays, the widely used arrestor is metal oxide arrestor. Metal oxide arrestor has no gaps. The gapless design of metal oxide arrestor eliminates high heat association with the arcing discharge. Metal oxide arrestor utilizing zinc oxide which blocks to provide the best performance. The below diagram is metal oxide arrestor. Lightning. In the transmission line, when lightning strikes, the transmission line produces high voltage which is generated within the lightning. Lightning is nothing but the meeting of positive and negative charges in the air. How do surge arrestor protects transformer or power system? When a transformer is not connected to a surge arrestor, when the lightning strikes the transformer, it gets spoiled. The below diagram represents this. When a transformer is connected to a surge arrestor, it would not get spoiled because the transformer is connected to a surge arrestor. It prevents the lightning. What exactly does a surge arrestor do? The surge arrestor does not absorb lightning, but instead of absorbing, it emits and divert the lightning to the ground, and it does not stop lightning. It limits the voltage produced by the lightning. It only protects the equipment electrically when surge arrestor is parallelly connected to the power system. The below diagram represents the Surge arrestor. How does it divert lightning? The surge arrestor has it consists of one type of material which is called metal oxide varistor. The metal oxide varistor is the heart of the arrestor. The metal oxide varistor is a semiconductor disc, and it is a disc type. It is very sensitive to voltage. At normal voltage, the metal oxide varistor disc is an insulator, and it will not conduct current. But at higher voltage caused by lightning, it becomes a conductor. The metal oxide varistor is a very fast acting electronic switch. It is an open switch to standard system AC voltage and a closed switch to lightning voltages. Advantage of surge arrestor. The surge arrestor protects the transformer and every other electrical equipment from the lightning and switching surge. Disadvantage of surge arrestor. The surge by connecting the surge arrestor to a power system, it can blow out a fuse. Surge arrestor has no line capabilities. The one end of the surge arrestor is connected to the earth, which has to be checked by periodically.